We have an old rheostat double adjusting light switch. The bottom switch is not working. It should control the ceiling fan, but it doesn't. And it's not the knob. I checked the knob already and replaced it. They just pop out. And it's hard to get these kind of switches. So I'm just going to replace it with non-adjustable single switches. The light's always brightest in here, and the ceiling fan can be controlled from the chain. Okay, I already know we're going to be a little surprised by what we find in here. It's a bit older house, and what's interesting is how this house is wired. A lot of places it only brings a power and a common, which is this wire, and that's just hanging, because in these old houses the return is up in the ceiling fan back over to the breaker. I am not an electrician at all, DIY guy. I did talk someone who's a lot smarter with electricity, and he talked with someone who is an electrician. He said just tap this off, common is up there, and I can run a new switch just like this one is run. And in this case, this brown goes in, the black is power, and out of that comes a red and blue, which goes up to the ceiling fan. There's no ground on this, so the return and ground are up at the ceiling fan in the attic above the ceiling. We'll check everything. And there it is. We got inbound power, which will supply power to both sides, and out, ceiling fan out, light. You got that empty common that's not used, just capped off.